Welcome back to our channel, Coding Pills, just like taking small pills of knowledge every day. Today we are going to write a Java program to find longest palindrome in the array. So before wasting the time, let's start the video. So first of all, we just need one uh, array. The type of array is int type and the symbol of array and name of the array is equal to inside of curly braces. What you have to do, you just have to store some values inside of this array. So let me store 1 2 1, then 1 3 3 1, then 1 3 2 1, then 1 2 3, then 2 2, then 9 8 9 8 9. These are the values which is stored by me. You can store whatever you want. So after this, just delete one variables here. Int LOM is the longest palindrome. Palindrome is equal to -1. Might be getting confused why it's -1 because you can see here, before checking any numbers, we assume that no palindrome has been found yet. That is why we just initialize the values of -1 over here. Then after this, just need a for loop for in, not a for loop, it's for each loop. Now of ARR, whatever the values is in the inside of this ARR, it comes inside of the num variables or num object here. So if you just need a condition here, if is palindrome palindrome, we just need this method. We are not creating now this method. We just write the condition like is palindrome num. Then what you have to do, you just need also need one more conditions. If num is greater than longest longest palindrome, then longest palindrome is equal to num. This is the way of you have to store the longest palindrome. For that, we just mentioned here the is palindrome. That means we have to create this method here. So this method is not a private. We just have to remove the private and make it as a public. Control Shift plus F to give the orientations of your programs. And the public static boolean is palindrome int. Now, inside of this, what you needed here is a one variables that is a original is equal to num. The values which is percent in num, it will become inside of this original. Okay. Then int reverse reverse is equal to 0. We slice is 0. Then if our loop we just started, this is a while loop. While num is greater than 0, what you have to do? Nothing. Just need a swapping. If you remember my basics programs of how to calculating the digits, count the digits, reverse digits, there we use this logic like int digit is equal to num percentile 10. You might we know about this already. You might know I confirm that you know about this int that is equal to num percentile 10. That means the values of in the end will be removed in the every iterations. That is why int is equal to num percentile 10. After this, you need a reversed is equal to reversed into 10 to remove the values plus the. So it will be remove the one values in the every iterations. Then to remove that, unit num is equal to divide by 10. That means the values will be removed. So after these conditions, uh, we have to print what is the longest palindrome. So, uh, so just come here and let's see if longest palindrome. Uh, this is the and this is the okay. This is the class block and this is the method block. So inside of method block, what you have to do, just if longest palindrome not equal to -1, then list out the longest palindrome in the array. Plus, just printing that, you just have the longest palindrome here. And the same thing, not same thing, just write the ends over here and this out. Uh, no palindrome number found. 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 Let me run it and check what we will getting here. So we were not using here original number. Oh yeah, we have to use that. So as you can see here we have what we are doing returning false. Instead of returning false, we need to compare and return the values. So that is the original is equal to reversed. Now they have to return the values. Let me run it and see the longest palindrome in the array 98989. Our program is working fine. If you want to know more about it here, the logic is very simple. Just int digit is equal to num percentile tail. That means the one values will be getting removed. Okay. Then the values is getting removed here. Then what you are doing reversed is equal to reversed into 10 plus degrees. The values is coming inside of reversed with. So as you can see here, the reversed is 0. 0 into 10 is 0 plus the means the one values is noted here. Like if you have let me take here 98989. Okay. So one values is removed here. That this 9 is removed there. The next values what we have are 9898. The one values is removed here. Inside of the reversed what we have 9898. Then the next time num is equal to num divided by 10, that value is exactly removed. This is the way of you can solve the any kind of problems. That's all about in these videos. Thank you for watching. Coding feels just like taking small pills of knowledge every day.